Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Another useful and informative video which is about how to install apps without App Store on iPhone. First of all, I will request to my all friends, please subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon for more latest videos, so do not waste any time. First of all, fix this issue. So you have first solution, you have open the setting and then you have click on, sorry guys, you have click on a screen time, click on content and privacy restrictions, then you have click on iTunes and App Store purchases, then you have click on installing app, must be select allow from here, then go back from here, click on allowed app, click on Safari, turn on. I have already turned on second number option Safari, then you have must be turned on. Then you have go back from here, open the Safari app, then you have search the any app. I will search the any app you have search, you have want any app you have mindset and you have search from here. I will search the game Subway Surfer. So you have seen my iPhone screen, and you have scroll up, then you have click on install from here. So then you have any views, you have how to install apps without App Store on iPhone. So you have click here and then he is downloading on your iPhone while you have download on your iPhone any app. So how to install, then you have no how to install apps without App Store. So any problem you have, comment in the box. So thanks for watching, see you in the next video. Do not forget subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Allah Hafiz.